How to add a Shopee link to a TikTok account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a Shopee link to a TikTok account. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Now, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Here, tap on Edit Profile. Next, tap on Add a Bio. Paste your Shopee link here and tap on Save. It will be added to your TikTok bio. This is how you can add a Shopee link in TikTok account. Now, anyone who visits your TikTok profile will be able to see and access the Shopee link you've added. You can also include the Shopee link in your TikTok video descriptions or captions to direct viewers to your Shopee store or product page. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.